So, in this video I want to talk about circle graphs. There's not much to say because in the GCSE or IGCSEs they keep things very basic, and so all you need to know is that when you make a circle graph it will look like this. It will be a circle, of course. It will always be center 0, 0. More complicated circle graphs don't have to be like that. And the equation will be this simple: x squared plus y squared equals some number squared, where that number r represents the radius of your circle. So for example, you could have a graph that goes x squared plus y squared equals 5 squared. So basically your circle would be center 0, 0 there, and it would have radius 5, like that. So 5 there to there, across the x-axis there at 5, and across the x-axis at -5, and the y-axis at 5, and the y-axis at -5, and every other point will be 5 as well from the center. Or you could have a graph that says x squared plus y squared equals, I don't know, 9 squared. Or instead of 9 squared, it would say 81. You don't actually have to write squared. So if it said x squared plus y squared equals 81, you'd square root the 81 and you would get the radius of the circle. And of course the radius would be 9, so that means the graph would cross at 9, 9 over there, -9 and -9 over there. There isn't much to say about it. It is a bit of a strange graph though. X squared plus y squared equals some number squared, and you would be right in thinking that sounds like Pythagoras because it is based on Pythagoras, and I'm making another video to explain why it is exactly that you have this strange kind of equation for a circle graph. So that's everything you need to know.